What is up everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. For this video, maggagawa ulit tayo ng PC. And this PC is called Incredible Hulk. Ano pa bang green? Green Goblin. Huwag na masyadong mapangalan. Tawagin na lang natin tong Lumot. Ito ang tatawagin nating Lumot build. But before I get into the video, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. And if you are looking for quality printed materials, you can check Prince Parco here, and I will put their link down below. So para sa mga components na gagamitin natin sa build na ito, nothing new. These were past generations na ng Intel. So we have Intel Core i5 7500. We have our motherboard, the ASRock B150 Pro 4. And for our SSD, ang gagamitin natin Golden Fear 120GB. And for our hard drive, ang gagamitin natin itong Toshiba 7200 RPM 1TB. For the heatsink ng ating processor, gagamitin natin itong, kayo na lang magbasa, pero RGB heatsink siya. So for our RAM, ang gagamitin natin G-Skills Ripjaws 5 3200 MHz 8GB. For our graphics card, ang gagamitin natin ay ang R9 380. And for our power supply, ang gagamitin natin ay hindi ito, dahil ang gagamitin natin yung nasa loob niya, which is the Corsair VS650. And for our case, ang gagamitin natin ay ito, ang Keytech T850 na tempered glass side panels and front panels, na meron din tayong fans sa loob na kulay green, kaya tinawag natin siyang Lumot build. Yan. Huwag na nating patagalin to at mag-start na tayong mag-build. Alright, so tapos na ang ating Lumot PC. At eto siya. So, ikot-ikot natin. Yan. So, ibu-boot up lang natin to para makita natin yung kanyang lighting and para malagyan na rin natin siya ng OS. So that was it for our PC build today. This was the Lumot PC, ang ating green and black themed na PC. So thank you for watching this video. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was he really just a friend?